Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. Real quick, I wanted to share with you this amazing 18-volt Bosch deal over on Amazon. It's a 4-tool kit, but in a way it's kind of like a 5-tool kit. Getting 2 batteries, the charger, in the bag. Now, I know Bosch isn't the most popular brand among you guys, but I feel like it's an amazing price. I purchased it myself, and my theory is I'm going to just buy it now and figure out what I'm going to do with it later. Worst case scenario, I can unload a few pieces and make some money out of it. Best case scenario, I'll find a use for, even if it's just like the light or something, and keeping the batteries for that. Anyway, let me show you some comparables before we get into more details there. Acme Tools has this kit for $349. By the way, there's also a link down below if you're interested in this deal. Acme Tools is $349. Tool Nut is $394.99, and Lowe's is $329. So we're well into the 300s, almost 400 everywhere else. If we go back and scroll down a little bit, Amazon has it right now for $214.60. It's like under $50 a tool. You're approaching like $35 if you count the batteries as pieces in the kit. And the reason I call it basically a 5-tool kit is your impact driver here is their Freak impact driver, or one of them. I think they have several SKUs with the same thing going on. But it's a 1/4-inch hex in the center, and then it's a 1/2-inch drive impact wrench. So it's kind of like 2 tools in one. Now, I've owned one of these a few years ago. Bosch did a giveaway, and I won it from them. And what I can say for the one that I had, it worked great as an impact driver. Everything you would expect from an impact driver, it worked perfectly fine. As far as an impact wrench, it was underpowered. Like, my truck lug nuts are about 140 foot-pounds. It couldn't take those off. Now, I might have had a different SKU again. I think they have several of these Freak drills at this point. So it might not have been the exact same one. So it would work for lighter duty stuff, and, it would work for some things, but it's not the ideal impact wrench, but it works really good as an impact driver. But it's like 2-in-1 tools, and it is a little bit handy to have. And then you're getting, I believe that's a 1/2-inch drill. Yeah, I think it did say in there, 1/2-inch drill. The LED light looks pretty good. The one-handed reciprocating saw, those are 2 amp hour batteries there. So you're getting two amp hour batteries. You get the charger. I mean, that's a lot of value at just barely over $200. So I'll get it here in a couple of days. We'll do a video on the second channel, at least taking a quick look at the pieces and see what we think of them. But the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a new subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.